Today on Lone Star Grillz, we're taking comfort food and kicking it up with some beautiful smoke. This is definitely not Grandma's meatloaf, and after making it, you'll never go back to the oven version. So kick back and settle in while we show you how to make the best meatloaf you've ever had. We'll start with 3 pounds of fresh 80/20 ground beef in a bowl. Add a few splashes of Worcestershire sauce, 1 large diced onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1/2 cup of fresh or dried parsley, 1.5 cups of Italian breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and 1.5 tablespoons of our LSG Texas Fusion. Or you can go with 1 tablespoon each of salt and pepper. Now just get in there with those hand mixers and mix everything well to combine. This will take a couple of minutes, and it's a very important step to make sure your meatloaf stays intact throughout the cook. You'll know it's ready when it sticks to your glove. It's time to give our meatloaf the perfect shape, so line your meatloaf pan with some plastic wrap. Transfer the meat into the pan, pressing firmly enough for it to take shape. Be sure to get the top of this as flat as you can. Then gently flip this over onto the center of a warming rack, remove the tray, and remove the wrap. And now you have the perfect meatloaf. The benefit of doing it this way is getting all that beautiful crust on the outside as this cooks. And this is how we maximize flavor and texture. With the meatloaf formed, we're just going to add 1 more coat of our LSG Texas Fusion to the outside. Now just let it hang out while we get outside and fire up the pit. Today's cook will be done on the Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker, the cooker that offers offset quality results with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Preheat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get the meatloaf on with a temp probe to monitor temperatures, then close the lid and let it absorb some beautiful smoke. The first part of this cook will take approximately 90 minutes to 2 hours for our meatloaf to hit a temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. Then it's time to glaze this up, and we're going to keep it simple. Just go with your favorite barbecue sauce or ketchup. Give it a good coating on all sides, then we'll close the lid and let this caramelize. Approximately 30 to 45 minutes later, we'll hit our target temperature range of 155 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove it from the smoker and allow it to rest. It will continue to climb in temperature as it rests. After about 15 minutes of rest, you can slice and serve. And just take a look at these results. You're never going to go back to doing this in the oven again. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for lots more content to come on other cookers as well. We've read your comments and we're listening, so make sure you're subscribed and all notifications are turned on. And as always, if you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.